Hey everyone! Whether you're new to coding or just setting up a new machine, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Python in 2025 the right way. Step by step. Open your browser and head to python.org. That's the official site. Click on Downloads and choose the latest version, Python 3.14 or whatever's current for 2025. Run the installer. Don't forget to check the box that says Add Python to Path. Then click and install now. Wait a few seconds while Python installs. Open your terminal or command prompt and type Python version. You should see Python 3.14x or your downloaded version. Then type Python. That opens the Python shell. You're ready to go. That's it. You've successfully installed Python in 2025. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what you'll be building first with Python.